welcome to this video. In this video we are going to be talking about background editing in Pixel Lab. So to edit a background in Pixel Lab, that's what we are going to be talking about in this video. So the tool for editing background in Pixel Lab is down here. Sorry, my toolbox is covering it, but it's down here. Follow the arrow, so you click on it, the first icon here. You click on it to edit your background, because in Pixel Lab a good background, even in graphics design generally, a good background will make your design outstanding. So the first icon on the row is the color icon. You can change the color of your background. So to change the color of your background, you just have to click on the color and change the color of your background to any color of your choice. Can you see? So I can change it to either gradient color or solid color, anyhow, anyone you love. So you click on the mark icon to apply your changes. You can also, if you're designing a logo, you can use the second icon on this list, because the logo preferably should not have a background, so you just have to use a transparent background. This is a transparent background. And you can also change the size of your workspace, because many people think square is the only size of the workspace on Pixel Lab. No. For example, if you're designing a YouTube thumbnail, you're not going to be using a square. Do you know that? So you are going to use okay, let me change the color here. You're going to be using the image size to change the size of your workspace. So we have preset image sizes here, so you can click on the spinner to get to see all the sizes we have here. We have profile picture, YouTube channel banner. So can you see, this is how a YouTube channel banner looks like. So you can also add a custom. Let me say 768 ratio 1280. Can you see, this looks like a smartphone this thing. So that is also an example of an image size. You can also crop your, if you are using an image from your gallery, you can use the number 4 icon to crop the image. So you can, we have some images on Pixel Lab that you can use as background for your design. So to check those images out and use them, you can click on this image. So when you click on the image, you check, you see the images we have here. Okay, see, this looks like a notebook. See, this also, they look like notebooks. This looks like an old paper. This looks like space. And you can check out all the designs, all the backgrounds we have here, so you can try them out. Let me select this. So you can also, can you see, this crop image, this crop image has been activated, so you can crop it. You can crop the background. Can you see this? You can crop it to check anything you want. So the next one is from gallery. You can select an image from your gallery and use it as a background. Let me select an image from my gallery and use it as background. Alright, let me go to my gallery. I will just pick any random image. I'm not being specific this time around. Okay. Do I have some backgrounds here? Yes, I do. Okay, let me choose this one. Alright, so let me use this opportunity to talk about cropping, pre-editing your image before adding it to Pixel Lab. So we have these tools on the pre-editing page, the pre-editing dialog. So you have all the ratios here that you can use to change the size of your picture, to crop your picture. So we have 1 ratio 1, 16 ratio 9, 4 ratio 3, 3 ratio 2, 9 ratio 16, 3 4 2 3 4 6 6 8. So you have all the sizes. And if you also want to use your own custom size, you just have to deactivate this lock. You have to deactivate this lock. So click on it and you can see, you can change the size here. So that is about that. And also this one to rotate the tools here, to rotate the two tools here, to rotate your background, to rotate your image, and this one to set the image to full size. To set the image to full size. This one to lock the sides so that I can move them. You can also move, you can only move it, you can only scale it, you can't crop it, you can only scale it. And this one to set it, this last one to set a circle, to set it to crop it into a circle. So we have a circle image here. So let us use 1 ratio 1 for perfect picture. So the next one is the flip horizontally. So you can flip your image horizontally. Yes, it has been flipped. So you can flip it. And the next one is flipping vertically. You can also flip it vertically. So you click on this. If you want to cancel it, you click on this. And if you want to apply the changes, you click on this. So let's click on mark. Okay, you see we have this image here. So you can crop it. Let's change it. Let's deactivate this and use everything like this. So, okay. Perfect. So you can also snap an image and use as a background for your design in Pixel Lab. You can snap an image and use as a background for your design in Pixel Lab. So let me just snap an image. Well, the camera of my phone is not really bright, but let me just snap an image. So let me select this image and use it as a background for my design. So it's giving an option to crop it. You already know how to crop images, right? So let's just select this image. And can you see it has been added to our design? So that is all about the background editing in Pixel Lab. That's not all actually. So we are going to be checking the last icon on at the bottom of our Pixel Lab screen. So let's check it. So you can use it to edit your background in Pixel Lab, just as though you're editing the object. So you can rotate your background. You can rotate it. You can rotate it. To use this first one, you can add a vignette to your background. So this is the function of a vignette. You know it. So here is a vignette. You can change the alpha, the opacity. You can change the color. So you can also add noise to your background. Noise is just like all the shuku that I see on NTA. Sorry, I'm not blaspheming or something. So you have the noise here. Enhance. Can you see the noise? The stripes. This is what the stripes does. This is what it is. So you can add a stripe on your background. The brightness, you can brighten up your background. Contrast, you can increase or decrease the contrast of your design. Hue, you can change the color of your design. You can filter the color of your design. And saturation, you can alter the saturation of your design. So that is all about background editing in Pixel Lab. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.